Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Everything you need to know before its release. Samsung, one of the leading smartphone manufacturers, has launched a new model, the Galaxy A54 5G, that is expected to hit the market on March 24, 2023. It is an addition to the Galaxy A series and is designed to offer a 5G-ready device with advanced features and specs. Network technology. The Galaxy A54 5G is compatible with the latest network technologies, including GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. It means it is well suited for working in most countries, including the US. Dimensions and weight. The dimensions of the Galaxy A54 5G are 158.2 x 76.7 x 8.2 mm, 6.23 x 3.02 x 0.32 inches. It weighs 202 grams, which is 7.13 ounces. Its slim and lightweight design makes it convenient to carry around. Display. The Galaxy A54 5 comes with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits brightness. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, which produces a density of around 403 ppi. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is scratch-resistant and durable. Camera. The Galaxy A54 5G has a 50MP primary camera with f1.8 aperture and PDAF OIS. It also has a 12MP ultra-wide camera and a 5MP macro camera for capturing stunning photos. For selfies, the phone features a 32MP front camera with f2.0 aperture that can record videos up to 4K at 30 FPS. Battery. With Galaxy A54 5 comes with a 5000 mAh LiPo battery, which is non-removable. It supports fast charging of up to 5W, which can charge the phone in a short time. Operating system, processor, and RAM. The Galaxy A54 5G runs on the latest Android 13, One UI 5.1 operating system. It has an Exynos 1385nm chipset with an octa-core CPU, consisting of 4 Cortex-A78s clocked at 2.4 GHz and 4 Cortex-A55s clocked at 2.0 GHz. It also features Mali G6 8MP5 for graphics rendering. The phone has 3 internal storage options: 128GB 6GB RAM, 128GB 8GB RAM, and 256GB 8GB RAM. Other features. The Galaxy A54 5G has several additional features that make it a great choice for smartphone users. It includes sensors like an optical fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, and compass. Also, it has virtual proximity sensing, making the phone more advanced. The phone is IP67 dust and water resistant for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It features Wi-Fi 800 to 0.11 APG-N AC6, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct for seamless connectivity. Furthermore, it offers Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP, low, and USB Type-C 2.0, OTG. It has GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS for easy navigation, and depending on the market, an NFC chip. Colors and price. The Galaxy A54 5G is available in 4 colors: lime, graphite, violet, and white. Its price in international markets is Euro 487.81, £449, 40,989. Overall, the Galaxy A54 5 offers a winning combination of features and technology that makes it an impressive smartphone. Its advanced camera and display technology, fast charging, and IP67 rating make it a great choice for those who want a phone that is fast, reliable, and efficient.